The Philippine Air Force PAF chose 12 FA-50 aircraft to fulfill its requirement for a light attack and lead-in fighter trainer aircraft. The Department of National Defense DND announced the selection of the type in August 2012. Funding for 12 aircraft was approved by Congress in September 2012. FA-50 is the most advanced version of the T-50, possessing more internal fuel capacity, enhanced avionics, a longer redundant tactical data link. It is equipped with a modified Israeli ELM-2032 pulse Doppler radar with Korean-specific modifications by LIG Next 1. The engine could be either Eurojet EJ200 or General Electric F414, upgraded to 20,000 pounds or 22,000 pounds thrust, roughly 12.5% higher than the F404S thrust, and are offered to prospective customers for the T-50. The radar of the FA-50 has a range 2/3 greater than the TA-50's radar. The ELM-2032 was initially chosen over Lockheed Martin's preferred AN/APG-67V, 4M SELEX Vixen 500E active electronically scanned array ADSA radars. Other ADSA radars such as Raytheon Advanced Combat Radar and Northrop Grumman Scalable Agile Beam Radar are options for future production, and may be shared with the radar chosen for USAF and ROKAF F-16 fighters. Samsung Thales is also independently developing a domestic multi-mode ADSA radar for the FA-50. The FA-50 can be externally fitted with Rafael's Sky Shield or LIG Next 1 SALQ-200K ECM pods, sniper or lightning targeting pods, and Condor 2 reconnaissance pods to further improve the fighter's electronic warfare, reconnaissance, and targeting capabilities. Other improved weapon systems include SPICE multifunctional guidance kits, Textron CBU-97 105th sensor fused weapon with WCM detail kits, JDAM-ER for more comprehensive air-to-ground operations, and AIM-120 missiles for BVR air-to-air operations. FA-50 has provisions for, but does not yet integrate, Python and Derby missiles, also produced by Rafael, and other anti-ship missiles, stand-off weapons, and sensors to be domestically developed by Korea. The South Korean military is reviewing whether to arm the FA-50 with a smaller version of the KEPD-350 missile to give it a stand-off engagement capability of 400 kilometers (250 miles).